Hi, my name is Ashley from Afosto. Today, I'll show you a demo of how to set up Quicq for a Magento 2 website. First, we need to create an Afosto account. If you don't already have one, go to afosto.com/register to create a free account. Here, you can fill in your name, email address, and password, then click on Register. After that, you can log in to your newly created account. In your Afosto account, you can now install the Quicq app by clicking on Start Free Trial. After installing the app, the tasks should show up for setting up Quicq. Now let's set up your first Quicq CDN, which will serve your images in an optimized format through our lightning-fast CDN. Do this by clicking on Create CDN, which will open up the admin panel. Here you can choose a unique URL key, which could be your company name or a short version of your company name. Then we'll select the URL of an image on your website. So we'll go to your Magento website, then right-click on an image and select Copy Image Address. Now you can paste this copied image address in the text box and click on the Validate Website button. It should say Magento V2, and it should also show the path to your images. You can check if it's correct, and then click on Add at the bottom of the page to add your first CDN. Now that the CDN is set up, let's go to the Magento environment to serve the images of your website via the newly created Quicq CDN. All we have to do here is insert the URL of the Quicq CDN we've just created into the field URL for user media files and secure base URL for user media files. The URL is https://cdn.quick.io/ whatever key you just made up, /. After saving, you'll get a notification to refresh the cache. To do this, click on Cache Management and then click Flush Magento Cache. This will take a couple of seconds. Afterwards, all of the website images should be optimized via Quicq. To check if this is working, you can head back to your website, and after refreshing the web page, you can copy the image address again and paste it into the URL of the browser. The URL should start with cdn.quick.io, and it's optimized in the best format possible. It should also be a lot smaller than your original image. I hope this tutorial helped you set up Quicq for your Magento site. If you have any questions about Quicq, send us an email or leave a comment below this video. If you like this video and want to stay updated with new features of Quicq and Afosto, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.